They're like this big, just very big. We put a chain on it, put a rod or a pipe come up. On one side of the board to this side of the board. Sam will pick up one side or
Alright. We got the old one off. You can see how bad that crack was. It cracked pretty good. Which explains why he was hearing that noise he had. Yeah, you can see the crack there too. Not good. Oh, yep. I already took it off. There we go. Wasn't too bad. Easy peasy. I got new studs and nuts, so I'll take those out, put the new ones in, new gaskets. Yeah, put her back together. Won't be too bad. Got the new one in there. Looks good. Got the new studs, new gaskets, new bolts, and then also the new studs for the exhaust, the Y right there. Yeah, it's not too bad of a job, just time consuming. The hardest ones are definitely going to be the front bottom two. The rest aren't too crazy, but yeah, so just gotta tighten them up in sequence so that you don't kind of deform it, cause a possible crack again. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then just do it to the block first, and then after that you'll do it from the Y, tighten it up, then put the wheel well back on, tire back on, drop her down, and start her up. Make sure she's good. Nothing crazy. Oh, and the heat shield that goes right there, and then the other mounting points like right there. But yeah, nothing too crazy. All right, got it all put back together. White pipes bolted up, heat shield back on. Everything's nice and tight. I like it. I already started it, no leaks, so just the fender well, and that's it. Fender well and tire. She's ready to go.